Hi, it's Todd Stern with Nationwide Credit Clearing. Today we're here with Tim Brigham of Evolve Bank and Trust. Tim, thank you very much for being with us today.
Thank you for having me.
You are one of the mortgage industry leaders, and we're really excited about it. I heard some new exciting news about FHA loans. Tell us a little bit about what's going on.
Yeah, it's really nice. They've actually relaxed their guidelines. Foreclosures and bankruptcies are not automatically going to get you out of the game. They'll actually understand if you've had a life-changing event. So what we've had great success doing is if we can document that event, it does not mean you're automatically turned down for financing. We can actually get you into a home.
That's good to know. What for a first-time buyer, what kind of things do they need to bring to you? You know, if they want to purchase a house.
It's actually really easy these days, and I love it. You don't bring your W-2s, your tax returns, driver's license, bank statements. It's very simple. One of the things that we really like at the bank is that we're not going to hold you accountable if there was a change in job. If you went from one employer to another, that doesn't necessarily mean you're going to be turned down. As long as you've paid your bills, as long as you're on time with your credit, we can actually do a loan for you.
That's good. What, as far as, the big question we get at Nationwide Credit is always to talk about credit scores. What kind of credit scores are you looking for to do a conventional loan or an FHA loan?
Here at Evolve, we actually, we're very lax. We follow the agency guidelines, which is a 620 FICO, which allows us to lend to quite a bit of people. So, very, very lax.
What about a jumbo mortgage? Tell everybody what a jumbo mortgage is, just in case they don't know.
Well, in the state of Illinois, it's anything over $417,000. It can vary from state to state, but anything with a loan amount over $417,000 is considered what's called a jumbo. We have some really cool programs for jumbo clients. We can go all the way up to 90% of the value of your home, and on some products we don't require mortgage insurance, which is a really big benefit, especially if you're looking to sell. Some people are looking to kind of restructure when they're looking to make a move on something, and we can put you into a much better program or fix it for the term of the loan, so that way you don't have to mess with it any further.
That's good. So at Nationwide Credit the other day, one of our clients called us and they were asking me about their mortgage rate. We've cleaned up their credit report and their scores are now in the 700s, and they told me they were at 6.5% on their mortgage, and I said, whoa. I said, you better call Tim. So people out there, you tell me, what should they do when they have those high rates?
It still really surprises me with people having rates that high. You definitely need to give a call, because we can definitely do some huge improvement to your loan program, get you into a much better situation to where you can focus some of that money back towards the principal. Even if you're comfortable with your current payment, let's make that money work for you.
Tim, can I ask you a question? What are your thoughts about, paying a little extra each month towards the principal of your loan? What are your thoughts about that?
It's something that I really preach. It's really not rate that's your enemy, it's time. The longer that you owe money on a mortgage, the more expensive it can be. So if you can channel some of that towards principal right from the get-go, you're instantly not paying money on that money for the rest of the time you're in the loan. Less interest, more savings.
That is a great suggestion. I suggest that to our clients as well. Another thing that I do suggest to clients that do have mortgages, get on automatic debit. And I'm sure your bank offers that as well, where you can draw right from their account or checking account. As long as there's money in the account, you're never going to be late. Nothing worse on a credit report than having late mortgage pays. So I suggest to everybody, mortgages, credit cards, if they have a thing you can set up for minimum payments, get set up electronically. The days of writing a check that's old-fashioned. So we say do it electronically. You go on vacation, don't have to worry about it.
Set it and forget it.
Great. Well, Tim, thank you very much. I really appreciate it. We send a lot of our clients to Tim at Evolve. And if they want to get a hold of you, what's the best number for people to call you at?
I can be reached directly at 312-445-9380 or toll free at 888-872-6525.
That's great. Give Tim a call. It's a free consultation we'll give you. Let's see if we can put you in that loan that you're looking for and get that new home. Thank you very much.
Thanks so much.